Assembly of Patiowell 10x8 metal shed protective strips around the roof. Make sure you have all the required accessories. When installing the front protection strips 15 and 16, you need to gently lift the eaves to expose the holes at the top of the wall plate. Once this is done, align the holes in both the protective strip and the top of the wall plate and drive in the F1 screws and V2 spacers. Align the hole position of the strip and the bottom of the wall panel. Insert F1 screws and V2 washer, and the top of the protective strip is completed. Align the holes of G, eave, and protection strip 15.16 and drive in F1 screws and V2 spacers. Next, we need to install the side protection strip 17. Align and drive in the F1 screws and V2 spacers. Align the component GC with the holes of the side protection strips and drive in the F5 screws. This completes the installation of our roof protection strips on all four sides.